Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode. We are testing the DJ DLS mic setup. May bago na naman tayong mic galing Pilipinas. Actually, almost 2 months na yata nandito tong mic na to. Ngayon ko lang napaglaruan. We are riding the Beaver kasi ito yung pinakamalakas na exhaust. Tignan lang natin kung kamusta yung bagong mic setup galing kay Mr. DJ DLS Johnny. So what's up guys? What's new? I miss doing the vlogs. Ngayon lang medyo gumanda yung panahon kaya nakapag-ride tayo during the day. Yung patugtog tayo konti. Battery low na rin si kamusta yan guys? Maganda ba? Okay, we'll be back guys. Alright guys, we are back. Balik na tayo sa bahay at lagay natin to sa editor kung maganda yung ating mic. Baka kailangan pa natin to i-massage ng konti kasi I mean, tinago ko naman ng konti yung main microphone natin. So hopefully maganda na yung positioning niya. Pero sana yung volume lang maganda-ganda at wala masyadong wind noise. Mukhang kailangan din natin palitan or siguro nasa ibang helmet lang yung yung GoPro mount. Masyadong maikli ito nakakabit eh. Kailangan medyo mahaba. Feeling ko it's gonna be too low. Ginagamit din natin ngayon yung isa nating GoPro as a second cam right there kasi medyo mahirap na mag-edit ng 360. Hindi mas mahirap, it just takes a lot more time. Kung gusto natin mabilis-bilis ng konti yung editing, mas madali kung yung camera natin is one way lang. Hindi mo na siya kailangan i-pre-edit. Sayang lang hindi natin matesting na may kausap kasi si Omar TV nasa bahay, Mr. Sarap nasa bahay din, and si Pogi naman ay may work. Alright, so that's the update. Ayos lang tayo ng microphone sa helmet para magamit natin itong TX5. And then that's it. Hindi na natin nagagamit si Beaver for a while kasi mga huling ride natin naka 300 tayo lagi. Alright, so we'll go check this out and then we'll go from there. Hopefully wala na tayong i-adjust pa ulit. Peace!